What up, fam? What up, family? Welcome back to my channel. My name is BizMatik and I'm back with another review for y'all this time around. We got the Rolling Stones and Lady Gaga with Sweet Sounds of Heaven live from Racket NYC. All right. Now, this song is from their latest album, Hackney Diamonds. I actually did the studio version, right? And here's the thing, right? The Rolling Stones sound good right now. They sound good. To be at the age that they are, they sound incredible. And another thing, Lady Gaga. I have a love and meh relationship with Lady Gaga, you know. Sometimes I'm really impressed by her and sometimes just like, eh. But on this song, I felt like she set the whole tone for this song and she did an incredible job with like the backup vocals and, you know, just the whole pacing of the song. I felt like she made this song special. So I can't wait to see the chemistry that they have on stage. If it's, you know, as good as the chemistry that you know they had on the record. And I think they said Stevie Wonder actually played keys on here also. So I'm excited to watch it. If you want to see more of the Rolling Stones, let me know what's next in the comment section below. And I've noticed majority of my returning viewers have not subscribed to the channel. Look, if you do like this content, hit that sub button. It does help us out, and of course I appreciate you. Let's watch.
Sweet sounds of heaven falling down to this earth. I hear the sweetest sounds of heaven drifting this earth. Bless the Father, bless the Son, hear the sound of drums as it echoes through the valley and it bursts. Let no woman or child go hungry tonight. Please protect us from the pain and the hurt. Yeah.
I smell the
Yeah.
sweet sounds of heaven.
Welcome, Lady Gaga. Tumbling down to the earth. I hear the sweet sound of children, and they're praising the land of their birth.
Oh, they ain't done. They ain't done.
I hear the sweet sounds of heaven.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
I said they're coming down. They're coming down to the earth. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Coming down. Coming down. Sweet sound. Yeah. Lady Gaga. Let's take a ride.
I'm not angry at you. Look. Impressive, man. I'm telling you, impressive. That's very impressive, man. I think Mick Jagger sound good, and of course Lady Gaga's vocal. She's very, very talented. You know, and the thing is, she looked like she was happy to be there, and that's important. Every time people on stage, I'm watching the audience, and I was happy to see younger people there, to see the Rolling Stones. You know, I'm not sure who they have featured on that album, but it would have been nice. I'm not sure though. It would have been nice if they had like newer acts. You know, Lady Gaga is a younger act, and she fits well, but I'm making a whole other point. If they were to have like newer acts, you know, that would get like a whole nother generation to discover the Rolling Stones. That would have been dope. But man, that was a dope performance. I felt the energy between them. I felt Lady Gaga's energy. She was just happy to be there. The band is still rocking, man. You can't keep these guys down. Keep going. And one thing I wonder if it's passion, you know, that's happening, or is it contractual? I don't know how to say that word. Anyways, y'all let me know how you feel about it in the comment section below, and also let me know what's next from the Rolling Stones. And I got you, the Rolling Stones still got some great work that I have not even touched yet. All right, so like I said, if you made it this far, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, share it with a friend, join the squad. I'll see you in the next one, and guess what? You better be there. Peace.